All right, the last thing we're going to cover in this section is adding icons. And for that, we're going to use a popular library called React Icons. So here in the terminal, let's install React-icons. The version I'm going to use is 4.7.1. All right. Now, if you Google React icons, you'll find this website. Up here, we can search for an icon. Let's say calendar. Now, React icons is essentially a package of different icon libraries. So we have ant design icons, bootstrap icons, box icons, and so on. Now, if you look at the icon names here, you will see all of them have a prefix. For example, this one has a prefix of AI that is short for ant design icons. So it comes from this library. We have another icon here with a prefix of BS that is short for bootstrap. So here we look at the icons across different libraries. When we find the one we like, we click on this box to copy it. Here in the app component, on the top, we import braces. Here we paste the icon name. This is essentially a React component. We import this from React-icons. Now, because this component starts with BS, here we have to go to the BS library, okay? Now we use this just like a regular React component. So BS fill calendar. And with that, we get this beautiful icon. But here we can also customize this. We can change the size or the color. For example, we can set the color to red and the size to 40. And here's the result. So pretty straightforward. You can figure out the rest on your own.